Tip 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 tip. How's it going, everybody? My name is Jack here, and I am playing Terraria for today because my friend just told me how to download this game, and right now I'm customizing my dude right here. Actually, do you think this hair is nice? Me too, me too, me too. Yellow. It looks like an RPG game. I really like this game. I watched Stampy and a lot of people playing it with their impossible bosses, which is like impossible to fight. But well, of course we'll make it. We all will. It just takes a lot of time. Million years maybe. Green shirt looks nice under the shirt. Definitely blue. Red pants. Why not? And some green shoes. Create. And definitely name is black. Jack. Done. Start again. Local world. Expanded world. It must be expanded, right? Series. I'm doing a series. That's why it's called series. Placing rocks in the dirt, placing dark in the rocks. That is. Wait. Yeah. So anyways, we're waiting for this thing. Don't worry, I'm just gonna click this 11 thing, and then yay. And also, well, I'm not sure where I'm waiting for this. I really want to say thank you to my friend, which told me about this game, which is free. It's pretty cool. It's starting to look pretty nice. So yeah, let's just wait for this thing to load, and then yeah, it's almost done. We go into, oh my goodness, this looks like a horror game. Rocket science gave us rocket boots. Take fight. It's got expansive world over 2.5. Actually, I played this game for a little. Okay, sure. Whoa. I'm here to give you advice on what to do next. It is recommended that you talk with me anytime you get stuck. Okay, thanks. They say there's a person who will tell you how to survive in this game. Oh wait, that's me. That's hilarious. Yay. Oops. Let's go get some wood. Oh, that is a lot of wood. New recipe unlocked. Let's go. Look at the wood. What is that? I'm here to give me advice. Okay. How do I jump? Okay, got it. I'm just a noob at this game, so don't judge me. It's a normal thing. And look. Stone blocks. I'm just a noob at this game. Is this thing important? Well, playing Minecraft, stone is something to build stone stuff for. Right? Let's look at our menu. We can craft stuff. I played a mini, like, fake thing with this fake part, fake of this. Ooh, I get a wood helmet. Like, seriously. Let's actually just keep on going. I don't remember my skin being so white, but who cares? And looks, there's like a monster thing over there. Let's actually just find this. What is this thing? It's a lead or lead. Hilarious. Haha. Drop in this hole. Damn it, I'm not dropping it. I'm not dropping it. There we go. Let's go. Drop blocks on them. And another remove all these blocks one by one at the same time. One by one, which is so boring. There we go, the last lead ore, and then let's keep going. It's really slow. Can we be faster or something? Something, please be faster. And where the freak am I going? There we go. Boom! Look at the wood. The wood is just fabulous. Go! Woo! It's raining wood. It's raining wood. I should name this episode The Rain and Wood. Isn't that nice? Isn't that a nice name? Clear. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay. I think I got it. Oh god, there's pots. These things, they are said to be that they drop stuff. I got coins. Drop more. Come on, drop more stuff for me. Rope. Woo, that's something I never heard of before. Copper. And look, there's a slime. Hey, slimy. You wanna fight, bruh? Ah! Stay away from me. Stay away. Go away. Good. We got 2 gel equals. No. Torch. We got a torch. Cool. I want to come back. Please. Okay, I think I got it now. Oh, Bob, let's go. Oh, there's a block of clay over there, and then we are done. And I'm gonna end this episode about super soon. And look, there's a little ducky. Okay, let's actually go back to the NPC before I lost him. And I need to end this episode like about now. Probably about now. Should be about now. No. Change. There we go, and then we create a little platform. There we go, and then we keep building. Woo! And remember, you can jump really high in this game, like so high up. Really high. Look at that. You can drop like 4 blocks. But anyways, that is almost the end of the episode here, and will this dude actually follow me? I just hope he will, cause I'm leaving him alone. See you later, alligator. Let's go crazy, till we see the sun. I know that you are gay as everyone. Let's keep going. Whoop. And whoop. And a whoopa. Hey dude. Okay. Let's actually build a way for him here. Come over here. I do not have a million years to mess with you. There we go. We create a little platform, and I think I want my house a little higher. So this is the end of the episode here, and I will see you all next time. There will be off-cam progresses like a house. So yeah, see you all guys next time.